as you can see here, I have a frame that is approximately 4 inches bigger than this poster. I couldn't actually find an affordable frame at this size, so I figured I'm gonna make this space work. I have a die cut machine, and with the power of Cricut, anything is possible, you know? So I'm going to add some layers, a motif. I'm thinking fire, flames maybe. I don't know how well the colors are gonna work together, but we're about to find out, and let's see what happens. A few things that I should probably mention. Besides the please ignore my clashing patterns, I switched into comfy pants because I'm getting down low here with this poster. I really just don't have a workspace big enough to manage it other than the middle of the floor. So that's where we're at. A few things that I should probably say. The frame is 27 by 40 inches and the poster is 36 inches instead of 40. So just a little bit of room to cover. Not too bad. I think I'm gonna go, definitely have to cover up 4 inches. I'm thinking of going maybe to 6 or 7 up here. Not really sure. We're gonna test, print, cut, whatever, a few things and find out. I'm not certain I explained everything like I meant to, so I'm just gonna talk more and cut it all down later. The 27 by 36 frame does exist, and I have seen it today at Michael's, which is where I got this handy dandy storage case that I'm using as a weight on the corner of this poster. So I know they exist, but they were like at least $30, and this one was like $10 from Walmart. Okay, in my defense, a lot of the 27 by 36 things were out of stock, and today I went to a location at Michael's that I would otherwise never go to. Like, it was so far out of the way, I ended up at this Michael's, okay? So I had already bought this frame. It was substantially more affordable. Should I have done things differently? Perhaps, but this one matches all of our other ones. And, you know, I want to do something cool and unique, and matting is a thing. Like, this is just a DIY mat situation. We got this. I realize I should totally do this on camera. This peel and reveal situation type deal. Is it whack? Kind of. Is it even gonna cover the, like, height? I don't think so. This is why we do test runs. I'm gonna save these fun little pieces though. Like, isn't this cool? And this paper is embossed on one side. I don't know if that makes a difference. I think the pattern's kind of funky. Is this red? It's not quite the same. It's, I think, arguably too vibrant. Will any of these colors do the job? So maybe I need to check my pastel papers. It is a bit more muted. We got 2 different yellows. You can just do a flip and a flop in there. That's them. What does the red look like? That is more accurate, I would argue, than the other one. And hey, that pink matches pretty well. So yeah, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a couple out. I feel like I'm doing a color analysis on this poster. Like, check this out. I really could do something with that, couldn't I? There's a lot of this color. This peach, that's a familiar one. Excuse the oil paint under my nails. I apologize. It has stained. I have scrubbed my nails. It doesn't want to go. I wish we could take the average of those. But anyway, you get the point. I'm gonna pick different colors now. Is this your card? No. That's alright. Back to the little pastels. Okay, so if we need to create a background, this would be a good color to do so. Unfortunately, there's a little hole in all of these pages. I'm not sure how that's going to come into play, but we're going to find out. This is a really good color. I don't know. I just feel like I need to do something with that. Like, that is not the yellow. This peach is also quite accurate too. Okay. Are these the colors together? Does it look silly? I feel like it looks a little bit silly. But I think, this also looks a little bit, like, you know? I'm gonna try to visualize it. Like, okay, I'm back. I paused my Lawyer You Know live stream for this. This is what I got, and I'm thinking it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna line up a couple pieces. I have 2 here so far, and I think the color choice is really good. And yeah, just wanted to show you what those look like, because I think it's gonna look kind of really cool. Little progress update. Everything is going wrong, and yet okay. I don't know how to explain that, but it seems like it's gonna all be all right, right? Yeah. Let's see how long. Enough. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Okay. So we have a little bit of a gap. I'm wondering if there's like a piece that I can put there. Can you tell the poster's been in storage for maybe 2 years? Because it has. It's just been in the tube the whole time, and it behaves accordingly. I can tell you that much. Oh, goodness. So much glue. Awesome. Why? Why did I do that? I have to put down this genius idea that is happening right now. I'm gonna use the scrap pieces and glue them on. In theory, if I were a more patient woman, I would go over these corners, but I think it's so minor, not noticeable in most areas, that it won't be issue. Alright, so let's see. I cut out this piece and it's gonna kind of go, could go either way. Could also do like this dip is kind of a problem dip. Oh, are y'all seeing this? Are we getting this footage? What if like that, you know? Look at this! DIY mat to save 20 bucks, and it only took, you know, several hours. Should I have just bought the correct size frame from Michael's when I saw it? Maybe I should have, but then what would I do with this one? Return it? That'd be too easy. I like to make things difficult. So, you're good. Keep going. You're good. Hey, this is okay. Now I've taken it apart, I've made a huge mess. It's all good. Basically, I just need the big plastic to flatten out the poster, get it in alignment. I don't really want to tape these together because I don't want to damage this actual poster. If you'll see here, I've put a couple scrap pieces behind all of these, and I think it blends pretty well, so I'm going to make some kind of rounded corner pieces, something to put, let's see, here and here. Those places. I'm going to try to line this up. I don't want to cover the artist's signature. It's tempting to want to tape this onto the poster, but again, I don't want to be destructive. Am I going to have to flip it? I don't want to flip it. As you can see, the back is not cute. Hey, bud. Hi. Please be very mindful of this everything we got going on here. Thank you. Hi. Because what is this? What is even this? Why are you doing this? Why is this what you're doing? Because why? For what reason would you be doing this?
Let's roll, nerds.
Okay, hey, check it out. As I'm trying to put the frame back on, it's kind of really coming together. Let's see if I can line it all up the way it needs to be. Tough, but doable. Yep. Don't want to mess up the corners of this either. Is that the sound of my partner coming home? Nothing, just putting a frame together. Or trying to anyway. Could I have you come look at something? I was still recording and I wanted to show the finished product and hope to see what you thought. The frame that I bought was like 4 inches too big. So I made flames. Can you tell?
No, I did not even notice.
Really?
Nope.
I tried to like blend it in, but I'm also not hiding the fact, you know, that it's copyrighted and stuff. But
I literally did not notice.
But yeah, this is what I spent like 4 hours doing with my Cricut.
Thanks, man.
Okay, but seriously, it does kind of blend in. Kind of not bad. Saved 20 bucks, lost like 4 hours, but it's, you know, no one else has one of these.